Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Facebook profile into page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Facebook. And you need to update your Facebook application. Once you've done that, then you need to go back and open Facebook. And then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Then you need to click on your name. Here you need to click on 3 dots. Then you need to click Turn on Professional Mode and click on Get Started. Click on Turn On. So now it will convert your Facebook profile into page. Okay, so let me show you. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can convert Facebook profile into a page. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.